We've hit another big milestone in Toronto in the fight against COVID-19, a major goal that Toronto Public Health had set out toward reopening the city once again, just as the rest of the province starts to do so. 54 new COVID cases reported in Toronto today, bringing the city's total to 13,715. More than 100 new recoveries brings us to 11,611. Unfortunately, there have now been 1,009 people that have died. Have a look at this, though. What was an average of 167 new cases daily just 2 weeks ago has now dropped to 83. That marks a decrease of 14 days straight, and that's the goal Toronto Public Health had set before it was ready to greenlight the city's Stage 2 reopening.
Given that we are at goal for 3 out of 4 indicator categories, we should soon be able to join other communities across the province in Stage 2 of reopening our city. But our continued progress rests on you and your actions to keep us moving forward.
However, we won't quite be back to normal for Canada Day celebrations in Toronto this year. The country's 153rd birthday will be a virtual event rather than gathering in public places. The city will host a mixture of live and pre-recorded performances on YouTube, including performances from Havia Mighty, Gordon Lightfoot, Julie Black, Cardinal Offshall, and Choir.
It is more important than ever, especially after all that we have been through and all that we're going through on a number of different fronts, to unify our community. And I'm pleased that Canada 2020 will bring Torontonians together virtually to enjoy music and entertainment and honor our frontline workers. I encourage everyone to participate in our virtual Canada Day and to help us connect to each other as a city.
And get this, new temporary bike lanes have started to appear along University Avenue as of this morning. The 2-kilometer stretch between Adelaide and Bloor is part of a $6.5 million expansion to the city's cycling network. 40 kilometers of bike routes are expected to be installed before the end of the year, including along Bloor and Danforth Avenue. Councillors Joe Cressy and Mike Layton were clearly pumped in this video they posted on social media.
As we work to open up our city, we need to make sure that people can get around safely while physically distancing, and that means making investments in public safety on our roads.
This is going to transform our beautiful downtown University corridor. Mike, it's a pretty good day.
High five.
On a final note, the city will resume issuing marriage licenses on Monday. It will be done by appointment only, and the application process must be done online. Once you do get an appointment, there's only one location you can head to, and that's the North York Civic Center. All other city locations will remain closed.